pick up each puppy one by one,
Okay.
and we'll do a close-up of each one. So this is
Purple.
purple. Okay. That's the dog going to Mooney family. Okay, who is this, Liam?
Red.
Red. That's the big boy going to California. The yellow is the sister. So these are the twins. Okay, let's get somebody else.
Orange.
Orange. Oh, it's a nice big brindle boy. There he is. Okay.
And the blue one.
Oh, blue one's a big brindle boy too. Green too. Nice brindle boy. Let's get a close-up of him. Okay.
Oh,
Who else did we get? Oh, magenta. Magenta is going to Thunder Bay. Beautiful red brindle, female, stunning.
and her is Rosie.
Oh, there's Rosie. That's
That's
going to
the
the Saunders family. There you go.
She's pink. Hello. Oh, the black one.
Oh, there's the black one. Let's go. Oh, there he is. Beautiful boy. That's going to the Reed family. Look at that face. Show me that face. Oh.
Can we take the purple?
Did we take the purple? Yeah, we took the purple already.
Oh, Dad, if you want a close up again. Black.
Okay, so all of them are done. There you go. The litter of 2011.